It's your Rock 254. You tuned in for another one, just here in the garage doing, garage type shit, trying to clean up, etc., etc. I'll show you what we're gonna get into. What do we have here? What I'm doing today, man, just trying to barely get some stuff cleaned up, get some stuff put out on market so I can get it sold, etc., etc. if I don't need it. Still gotta work with the toolbox. You know what it is. Right now, we're just trying to get our paper, so shout out to Guru. But let me show you what we got here. What we have here, a motor. So let me give you a little bit of backstory on this motor. This motor was given to me by a co-worker that needed to get rid of it because he was about to leave and go back out of the country. Oh, not the country, the state. So he gave it to me. I was like, cool, I'll bust it down, Tatiana, and I will salvage parts. Accessories and all of that work. The motor ran, is just something going on, either the top end or bottom end. And so I thought, what would be better content than to, tear this bitch apart and see what went wrong. So either way, this got to get broken down to get the fuck about my garage anyway. And being that I'm probably going to end up parting it out, then no better place than to do it just right here. Boom, bust down Tatiana. You know what I'm saying? Put these parts out up on the market, etc., and then go from there. So let's get into it. Lately, man, the computer just crashed. So we basically got like a fresh install on here. So I'm just gonna go through here, get rid of. Well, first of all, I gotta get like a decent, like that's not acceptable. Need to get a quality res image, so it's looking like that one up there. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta get logged into my email and all that stuff. But I'm gonna handle that. But yeah, we're gonna have to get HP tuners installed back on the system as well. So, cause we was having some issues. I was trying to make it to where we could pretty much, could like go live from the laptop or whatever, but that didn't work out the way that I wanted it to. Part of it, I think, is just because, when previous people on the laptop or whatever, then that'd be the issue. But not always. So, but now it's got a fresh. What do you call it? It's got a fresh install on it. It pretty much was doing it all this morning. So now we're sitting at about 4 p.m. I think that's about right. Yeah, about 4 p.m. Yeah, that's right. 4 p.m. and we gotta get everything downloaded and reinstalled so that we can be good to go, so we can flash computers. That's the whole reason I bought this laptop, was so we could do HP tuning. So we gonna get it. But yeah, like this, this is one of my pet peeves, man. Like having all of this extra software and stuff on here. I don't like it. Pineapples, especially when it's really not nothing going on, but this is maxing out my damn CPU and shit. Granted, it's only like what is this? Like a 1.6 hertz or whatever. I don't want nothing doing nothing unless, I tell it to do something. So just, if I don't need it, then, I'm taking it off here. But I'll spare y'all this. Just know that we getting the HP Tune laptop back up and running. And let's go ahead and take this motor apart. All right, so got everything pretty much taken apart. I was trying to find out like what was different, what the hell was going on. I got ready to pull the valve cover off, and immediately off gate, I see that of course, it's required 2 hands. So yeah, automatically I see that basically, I mean, the oil doesn't look to be like super stupid dirty, but already like the dipstick is broken off. That's the dipstick right there. Goes right there, and yeah, it's broke the hell off in there. So I guess we'll have to use something, pull that off, and so right now we're just gonna sit it right there like that, and I guess continue to dive deeper off into this. So this is like the head, the gasket, valve cover gasket, and they're pretty good. I wasn't gonna like disassemble the head. I'm gonna just take the head off of the block and then go from there. So let's go. All right, so I basically got all the head bolts loose except for there are 2 on this side that are not budging. Like big amp or big impact, like it's not moving. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change out the battery, put a 4 amp hour battery on there, see if it make a difference. Alright, so after coming at this mud with the full force and even with a ratchet, it's not budging. I don't know if I needed to put the air on that bitch or what. I mean, a Ryobi, like it'll usually, I mean, honestly, for a head bolt, it really shouldn't take all that, to be honest with you. But then, like, I don't want to like overheat and then like, you know, run around the ground. But I don't know. So, like I said, not that big of a deal. I did want to get the head off of it because, like I said, we're trying to find out, you know, what went wrong or whatever. So, I'm gonna, you know, I guess take out this bracket here from the head. The other medium stuff in the meantime, while I cut the compressor on, and then see if we can put the air on it and see if it make a difference. If the air that can't get it, it don't want to be got. So, let's see. What's going on, y'all? This is your boy Ryobi254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt. Ryobi254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic. so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LSRY254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Alright, so back over here, we put that Harbor Freight Special General Pneumatic Earthquake, and they pulled them bad boys right on up out of there. So got all the head bolts out, gone and pulled his head off, and go from there after we get this built. Gotta take the timing belt off, but yeah, man, making progress. Alright, so as you can see, man, we got the head off. I mean, I don't really see nothing that would bring alarm. Let me see if I can get it's actually like sitting on the harmonic balancing. But from what I can see, I mean, everything looks to be in order. As far as the block is. So what we have over here, as you can see, I'm gonna cut this music off. I know better than that. Demonetization. You can't monetize videos if big music is in it. So, but yeah, as you can see, looks like we got some stuck valves there. Like I said, now I'm not the most, I guess, savvy person on this subject. However, I do have a general idea of how this works. And if I'm pretty, let me see what's the word I'm looking for. I'm pretty sure that I should be able to turn this by hand, right? Okay. So being that I should be able to rotate this thing by hand, and it's not moving, I was kind of under the impression that, you know, maybe something is going on with the head and it's not the actual block that is bad. But at the same time, what I haven't done is I haven't turned over this bottom end either to see if it'll rotate, how it'll rotate, if anything. Let me see if I can get something on this and we can find out real quick. So everything seems to be moving. Everything looks to be moving as it should. The two inner pistons are on the same stroke, and the two outer pistons are on the same stroke. So if I had to guess, that's the head. That was the issue with this motor. So, like I said, I just tore it down, man, to see. Post these parts and stuff that I did pull off of it that I know to be good. On the interwebs, and then I'll let somebody throw me $50 for this cord, or $100 for the cord for the block. Like like I said, we're gonna put it into the atmosphere, see what happens, man. But, yep. This has been the first and maybe the last episode of What's Wrong with That Block. But yeah, man, it's your boy LC Round 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses. Make it the strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity or procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop.